This is how you can sort a column by simply clicking the column header like this. We're going to start off by introducing an option button for each of the headers here. Go to the Developer tab. Go to Insert. Under Form Control, click on this option and insert the option button anywhere on your worksheet. Now right-click and go to Edit Text and remove all the text inside the option button. Then press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard to open up the Format control. Click on the Control tab and then click on this button and go ahead and select cell A1 to assign the state of the radio button. Press Enter, then click OK. Now resize. And reposition the option button next to your header like this. Now, just as a test, click on the option button and the cell value in A1 should change to 1. Now copy and paste the option button for the rest of the column headers. Now, if you click on any of the option buttons, the cell value in A1 should reflect the column index number. Now, to display the actual dataset table, our dataset table is sourced from this particular table here. So you go back to your worksheet here, you're going to say equals sort, open parenthesis, go to the worksheet where you have your source dataset, and then select the entire row of data like this. Let's go back to our worksheet here, and on the second argument, you're going to select the cell A1. After that, comma, you can either choose ascending or descending. I'm going to say descending order like this. Close parenthesis and hit Enter on your keyboard. Now, I will format my date properly. If you select any of these option buttons, the dataset will be sorted based on whichever option button you have selected. Now to do a bit of housekeeping and cleaning up, select cell A1, press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. Make sure you're on the Number tab. Go to Custom under Category and change this type to 3 semicolons, and click on OK. And there you go. Job complete. That's it.